Ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing red with yellow, official weight 110.4 pounds. He has a veteran professional record consisting of 19 victories, 12 defeats, with 3 bouts even. Ladies and gentlemen, from Bukidnon, introducing Robert Paradero. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, wearing white with red, official weight 111.4 pounds. He has an excellent professional record consisting of 14 big victories, only 1 defeat, with 1 bout even. Fighting out of Elordes Stable, Parañaque, and proudly representing Zamboanga City, ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine Boxing Federation flyweight champion, Albert Francisco!
Makukuha ba ni Robert Paradero yung kanyang inaasam na belt of the Philippine Flyweight Championship dito kay Albert Francisco na siyang title holder itong Philippine Flyweight Championship. Albert Francisco is also the Philippine Boxing Federation Flyweight Champion, the Philippine Youth Flyweight Champion. Professional boxing record is 14 wins, 1 loss, and 1 draw. Samantalang ito namang si Robert Paradero ay may professional records ng 19 wins, 12 losses, and 2 draws. Jab straight from Albert Francisco against the challenger na si Robert Paradero. Between the defending champion, the Philippine Flyweight Champion, and Philippine Boxing Federation Flyweight Champion, WBC Champion Albert Francisco, against the challenger Robert Paradero. Si Paradero ay isang veteranong boksingero in the flyweight category. Saan-saan din po ito dumadayo. Last 10 seconds on the first round. Yung mayakap na itong si Paradero kay Francisco. Round 1 pa lang po tayo mga kaibigan dito sa main event.
Round number 1.
12 talo at 2 draw. Ayun ang power punches combination ni Paradero na pinakawalan kay Albert Francisco. Albert Francisco trying to pay back the punches to Paradero, and Paradero is having a problem this night at this moment. Yan ang sinasabi natin na mga suntok na pinapakawala ng kampiyon. Tumaganti naman itong si Paradero, yung challenger, at nagpapakitang gilas din kung ano yung kaya niyang ibigay para talunin ang Philippine Flyweight Champion na si Albert Francisco. Matindi mga patama ang pinakawala ni Robert Paradero sa mukha ng ating kampiyon, pero hindi natitinag si Francisco at patuloy na gumaganti. Throwing punches in the midsection of Paradero. Medyo hinihingal na itong si Paradero. Last 10 seconds on the particular round. Nakasurvive si Paradero. Kinakapos ng hangin ang challenger. Francisco throwing his final punches, hitting hard on the jab and straight to Paradero. Paradero is trying to punch back, but he's having a hard time. He's getting groggy. Matutumba si Paradero. Matutumba. Wala nang hangin ang kalaban ng challenger. Albert Francisco is pushing Paradero towards his corner with a lot of punches being thrown, but Paradero is getting back. Muntik nang matumba. And more minutes to go on this third round. Albert Francisco is taking the lead. The champ is showing his form being the champion in this flyweight division. Francisco hitting hard on Paradero. Grabe yung mga suntok na pinapakawalan ni Francisco. At yumayakap na itong si Paradero. On the last 10 seconds of this round. Paradero is trying to push back with 2 punches. Of Zamboanga City, Albert Francisco. Bumabawi pa rin itong si Paradero. Sinusubukang umabot sa susunod na round. Pero mukhang kinakapos na ang kanyang hininga. At wala nang puwersa yung kanyang mga suntok na pinapakawalan sa kasalukuyan. Ang tanong kung aabutin niya pa ba ang susunod na round o hanggang dito na lang ang kanyang lakas. Napapanood niyo sa Pilipinas live via signal at B Steel Sports. Last 10 seconds. Matibay ang bodega nitong si Francisco. Ilang beses nang pinapatamaan ni Paradero pero hindi pa rin tumitiklop. Bumabawi si Francisco. 1-2 combinations in the midsection. But Paradero is saying, bring it on. Ayun. Saan-saan na po lumalabas yung mga suntok ni Paradero. Basta't makatama lang sa ating kampiyon. But a good uppercut from Francisco. The champ remains his composure. 1-2 combinations in the midsection of Paradero. Another 1-2 combination. Medyo groggy na itong challenger. Pero hindi pa rin po sumusuko si Robert Paradero. Last 10 seconds. And the 6th round.
End of the round.
You're watching the main event tonight live in Zamboanga City. Magandang gabi po sa ating mga kababayan sa buong Pilipinas. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si Radyo Manbong Simbahon. Grabe talaga ang resistensya nitong si Paradero. Kahit na sunod-sunod yung mga suntok na pinapakawalan nitong kanyang kalaban na ang kampiyon na si Albert Francisco, hindi pa rin po natutumba. Lumalaban. May mga exhibition pa. Nag-exhibition pa itong si Paradero. Pa! 1-2 combinations, a good punch by Albert Francisco. Meron pang ala Fernando po. Itong si Paradero. Albert Francisco. Matibay ang loob ng challenger na si Robert Paradero. Despite the disadvantages on his part. Ilang mga power punches na pinapakawala ni Albert Francisco pero patuloy pa rin gumaganti at lumalaban itong si Paradero. Kahit na one punch lang ang kanyang pinapakawalan at medyo open yung kanyang depensa na pilit na sinusugod nitong ating kampiyon. Paradero hitting hard on Albert Francisco pero gumaganti naman itong si Champ at binabawian si Paradero. Warning again on Paradero. Nako. Wala nang hangin itong si Paradero. It's a slip. It's a slip on Paradero. Ito na kaya ang pagkakataon na hinihintay ni Albert Francisco. Ang last 10 seconds of the 9th round. Kaya pa ba ni Albert Francisco i-sustain?
End of round number 9.
between the champion Albert Francisco against Robert Paradero, the challenger. We're now in the 10th and
Ladies
final
and
round.
gentlemen of Zamboanga City, this is the 10th and final round.
Nasa uling round na po tayo ng main event for tonight. In this Philippine flyweight boxing match being held right here in Zamboanga City, with the champ Albert Francisco against the challenger Robert Paradero. Kakayanin ba ni Robert Paradero na masungkit ang Philippine Flyweight Championship belt from the champ himself, Albert Francisco, who is leading by points tonight? Pinipilit ni Francisco na matumba itong kanyang kalaban, pero matibay po ang veteranong si Robert Paradero. Napakatibay. Inabot niya ang 10 rounds with all his skills and showmanships. Kinaya at kakayanin ang 10 round. Kaya ba niyang masungkit ang championship belt dito sa ating kampiyon na si Albert Francisco, who is a scientific boxer, we consider, considering na maingat po siya sa kanyang pakikipagsuntukan sa loob ng ring. Albert Francisco is taking the lead when it comes to point system, pero hindi natin alam kung ano yung magiging scoring ng ating mga judges. Here we go again. This is the 10th round, the 10th and final round on this main event for tonight. 1-2 combinations by the champ Albert Francisco. Bumabawi pa rin itong si Paradero despite the disadvantages. This is blow by blow in Zamboanga. Radyoman Bong Simbahon po ang inyong lingkod. Buenas noches a todos. One-two combinations by Paradero, and Albert Francisco continues to pound the challenger until the last seconds of this 10th and final round.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 10 rounds of championship boxing, we will go to the scorecards. But before anything else, a round of applause for these two warriors. Judge Dean Pangolino has it 98-92. Judge Nante Cuesta scored it 100-90. And Judge Michael Estrada has it 99-91. All for your winner by unanimous decision. And still, the PBM Flyweight Champion from Zamboanga City, Albert Francisco. And putting the belt now is Zamboanga City Mayor Timer Alan Olaso, together with our promoter Yulmir Marshall, and of course our sponsor Peace Team. But still, give a big hand for the challenger, Robert